We're hearing a lot of stories about young heroes and good Samaritans now that last week's snow has finally melted. Good evening. I'm Josh Rowe.
And I'm Latricia Thomas. Several students helped keep a bus full of stranded elementary students calm while they were stranded on the side of the road. News Channel 9's Betsy Golden tells us how. Betsy.
An absolute nightmare, all-day panic. One mother recounts her daughter's bus ride home from school on Tuesday during the snowstorm and traffic. High school sophomores Kayla Wells and Jade Davis were two of the students on bus 48, the majority of them young elementary children. They were on their way home from Ridgeland High School in Rossville during the height of the snowstorm Tuesday afternoon. On the way, the bus stalled and slid down a hill, hitting two parked cars. It had to be towed. The bus slid again and towed a second time.
A whole lot of elementary school kids and 3 high school girls trying to tough it out. You may be afraid that you're going to be there for a while and it's going to get cold, but you can't let that show because you have to make all these little kids happy and make them feel safe on a bus that's stuck in a ditch.
The driver, Tim Jones, didn't let his anxiety show, and the high school students didn't either.
It's cool because you're the older kid and you get to take care of everyone, but it's kind of scary too, but you're trying not to show it because you're stuck on a bus forever.
By chance, the bus was stuck in front of the bus driver's home, and neighbors were able to let the students use their restrooms and load up on snacks. School officials are proud of how their older students stepped up and helped take control of the situation by singing and keeping the younger children calm. They say other students helped pull people out of ditches with their big trucks and tow chains.
We had a lot of kids that were out there looking for other ways that they could help out and be part of the solution. That's always what we're looking for.
Kayla and Jade volunteered to stay on the bus until they were with the last remaining students to help keep every young student calm. And Kayla's mother and many other parents whose young children were on the bus want to say thank you to all of those who helped keep their children safe. The bus driver, the high school students, and the neighbors who allowed the students into their homes. Back to you.